PIL in Supreme Court seeking probe into Murshidabad riots. That's the latest we are getting to know right now. The Supreme Court will be hearing the plea tomorrow. Plea seeks court-monitored probe into the riots that took place in West Bengal's Murshidabad. The plea says that West Bengal government must explain law and order failure in the state, and it also seeks directions from the Supreme Court to fix responsibility for what transpired in the state. The bench will be led by Justice Suryakant to hear the plea. Going across to Anisha Mathur, my colleague, for more details. Anisha, could you outline for us some of the other pertinent points made in the PIL?
Well, the PIL has been moved in the Supreme Court seeking a court-monitored SIT to investigate what has been happening in West Bengal. Secondly, what they have asked for is a court direction to seek an explanation, which is an unusual prayer, to seek an explanation from the West Bengal government about the failure of the law and order machinery. Additionally, they've asked for compensation and rehabilitation to the victims and direction from the court to ensure the protection of life and liberty of people in West Bengal. What this petition claims is that the way the violence has spread in Murshidabad, they claim that the government is not taking adequate steps to stop it. They claim that there seems to be political nexus with this outbreak of violence in West Bengal, and that is why they have this petition filed by a Delhi-based lawyer has sought all of these directions. They said that political inclinations are hampering the right to life of the people of Murshidabad. They have also claimed that there has been selective targeting of persons from the Hindu community. So we'll have to wait and see what the Supreme Court now says about this, because as we've seen the kind of political battle of words that has broken out in not just in West Bengal but in the country with regards to what has been happening in Murshidabad. We're seeing a standoff also between the governor and the state government. So now with this PIL also in the Supreme Court, we'll have to see how the court responds now to this kind of violence. Normally what the courts have done in cases of riots is to ask for a status report from the state where such incidents have happened. We'll see what happens now on Monday when this matter comes up. Back to you.
Right, Anisha. Let's wait and see if there's a similar report, as you say, that gets asked for in this matter as well.